A very warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. A new death warrant has been issued in the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case by the Patiala House Court today. Nirbhaya's convicts to be hanged on March 3rd at 6 a.m. in the morning. This is the third death warrant issued by the court. The two earlier ones issued could not be carried out as the convicts took turns to use every legal option available to them. Two senior lawyers have been chosen by the Supreme Court to talk to the Shaheen Bagh protesters who are on a sit-in for over 2 months against the Citizenship Amendment Act. The senior advocates Sanjay Hegde and Sadhna Ramachandran will meet the protesters and try to persuade them to continue their agitation in another location so that the commuters are not hassled due to the road diversions and blockades. Former Chief Information Officer Wajahat Hazibullah will also help them in task. The apex court told the protesters to come to a solution so that the roads are no longer blocked. The BJP has condemned the Congress for giving political color to the violence at Jamia Millia Islamia on December 15 last year, alleging that its leaders always speak against the security forces and stand with those who are hostile to the country. The party's remarks came after the Congress attacked the government over the new video showing police and paramilitary personnel canning the students in the university's library on December 15. Sources reveal that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal won't be taking charge of any ministry. Delhi Jal Board will be under Satyendra Jain, while Kailash Gehlot will look after environment and Rajendra Pal Gautam will take women and child welfare. Rest of the portfolios to remain same as before. Remember, after a landslide victory in the Delhi polls, Arvind Kejriwal took oath for the third time as a Delhi Chief Minister on February 16. No new faces were inducted into the cabinet. A British MP, critical of the government's decision on Kashmir, has claimed that she had been denied entry into India and was waiting to be deported after she was told upon her arrival at the Delhi airport that her e-visa had been rejected. Debbie Abrahams, who is a member of the British Parliament and the chair of the All-Party Parliamentary Group for Kashmir, has said that in a statement that she was treated like a criminal and taken to the deportee cell, while the government sources have rejected her charges. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat said today that India is looking at setting up a separate theatre command for Jammu and Kashmir. The Air Defence Command is to be rolled out by the beginning of the next year and the Peninsula Command by the end of 2021. The Indian Air Force will helm the Air Defence Command and all long-range missiles as well as the air defence assets will come under it. Congress leaders Ajay Maken and Milind Deora engaged in a public spat on Twitter. Deora heaped praises on Aam Aadmi Party for doubling its revenues to 60,000 crores and maintained a revenue surplus over the last 5 years. Maken told him to leave the Congress, not share half-baked facts, sharing down the data that claimed that Congress performed better. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.